Good morning, students. It is your P class, and today we will continue with chapter number 4, Children with Special Needs, CWSN. Okay, and our today's topic is disorder. Now, it is SPD. Full form of SPD is sensory processing disorder. Clear? SPD. SPD full form is sensory processing disorder. Clear? Next is, what is the sensory processing disorder? It is a condition in which the brain has a difficult in receiving and responding to information that comes in through the sense. Okay, what is this SPD? It is a condition or it is a disorder in which the brain has difficulty in what in difficulty receiving and responding to information, which information that's come in through the sense. Clear? So it is called SPD. It is a some type of, what is SPD? SPD is a sort of neurological traffic jam. It is very important. What is SPD? SPD is neurological traffic jam. It refers to the way that nervous system receive a message from the senses, and after the receiving a message from the senses turn into proper action and behavior responsible or behavior response. Clear? Now we will start point number 1. SPD is a condition in which the brain has trouble receiving and responding to information that comes in through the sense. It is very important. Brain has a difficult to receive, or brain has trouble to receive and responding to information, which information that comes throughout the senses. Clear? Point number 2. Sensory processings refer to the way that nervous system receive message from the senses and turn them into response. Okay, it is a sensory processing. Maybe question they ask, what is sensory processing? Then right answer is the sensory processing. Only sensory processing. It is the way. What is? It is the way that nervous system receive message from the senses and turn them into response. Clear? Point number 3. For those with SPD, sensory information goes into the brain but does not get organized into appropriate response. Clear? Means information got from the brain but not got appropriate response. Point number 4. SPD may affect a sense, maybe affect a sense such like touch, sight, taste, movement, smell, feel. Okay, so these are the senses like feel, touch, sight, taste and smell. So maybe SPD may be affect a sense, एक सेंस का भी हो सकता है affect करे, और मे बी multiple sense. Point number 5. In some case, the person with SPD may remain unresponsible to anything from around him. Even he may fail to give any response to extreme heat, cold or pain. Okay, so these are the points of SPD. I will repeat again. The people with SPD, point number 5. The people with SPD. SPD means sensory processing disorder. The people with sensory processing disorder may remain unresponsible. वो कोई response नहीं देंगे. किस condition में response नहीं देंगे? To anything around him. They will fail to give response to extreme heat or cold or pain. Clear? So these all conditions or these all symptoms are in SPD, sensory processing disorder, and it is a neurological traffic jam. Clear? Second slide, we will check what is the cause of SPD. What is the cause of sensory processing disorder? The first cause is genetic factor. Maybe genetic factor, every disorder related to genetic factor. Okay, so cause number 1 is genetic factor. Cause number 2, low birth weight. If newborn baby ideal weight is below to ideal weight, it is called low birth weight. So if low birth weight is going on, या कोई न्यू बेबी है उसका जो बॉर्न न्यू बेबी है उसका जो लो बर्थ वेट है या जो आइडियल बर्थ वेट है वो कम है, लो बर्थ वेट है, देन इट इज़ द कॉज ऑफ SPD. Point number 3 is environmental factor. Maybe their environment is not suitable for the baby, so that cause of SPD. And last point is physical causes. Physical causes also the part of SPD. So these are the terms of SPD, causes of SPD. So again we will check slide number 1. In slide number 1, main point is what do you mean by SPD, or what is the full form of SPD? It is sensory processing disorder. Sense, it is related to sense, sensory processing disorder. And what do you mean by sensory processing or sensory process? So sensory process means the way in which the central nervous system of our body receive message from the senses. There are different senses, okay? So it is the way in which the central nervous system of our body receive message from the senses and use the received information to act a appropriate behavior or a appropriate response. So it is called sensory process, or other name is sensory process is sensory process. Clear? So it is the SPD, sensory processing disorder, and it is related to our sense. Next topic is ASD, okay, autism spectrum disorder. So first word is autism. What do you mean by autism? Okay, autism means development disorder. Okay, autism, AUTISM, autism development disorder. And spectrum means wide range of symptoms and their severities. Severities means condition or fact. So autism means development disorder and spectrum means wide range of symptoms. Okay, so next period we will discuss autism spectrum disorder. Clear? Thank you.